Hey there, my name is Tanya from the Client Success team, and we shall see together how to investigate a mailbox folder permission. So simply said, a mailbox folder permission grants access to specific folders on a mailbox through Outlook. Let's visualize things to understand better. Let's take an example of Tanya, who is the finance officer, and a permission is given on her inbox for Olivier, the office manager. The permission given is publishing editor for Olivier. So as soon as this configuration change is being processed in the cloud and we receive the logs from Microsoft, we're going to send an alert to Tanya in order to make sure that this permission has been given in a legitimate way. If she denies the fact that she's given such permission, then the SOC team have to investigate further into the expert platform. So let's see how to investigate a mailbox folder permission. Firstly, you have to go on your expert platform and look for the corresponding alerts. So click on the alerts menu. If it's a recent alert, it's going to show up at the top of the list right here, or else you can look for the alerts. For example, you know that you are looking for Tanya Malnui's mailbox. You can browse for the types and subtypes, or we are actually looking for a mailbox folder permission set for a default user. As you can see, it has already loaded the potentially corresponding one. If you have more details about the alert, you can add it. So for example, you know it was on the 12th of August, you know the status of the alert. It was an open one. To maximize the relevancy of your search, you can just add it. And what you see is that it has loaded the exact corresponding one. So now you can click on it. This page displays the general information about the alert. That is, we can read the name of the alert, the release date, the status of the alert. We can see that it's an open one. The reasons, very important, that is the description of the alert. So here we can read the permission configured on the user's mailbox. That is, the rights on the folder have been modified for default from none to reviewer, which might be obviously very dangerous. So you would want to close the alert since it is an open one. So to close the alert, simply click on Close Alert and select the corresponding one. So if it was a suspicious one, you have to click on No Alert Me if there is further modification, or else if you consider it was absolutely normal and you don't want to be notified the next time the similar behavior is observed, so you click No, this behavior was normal. Let's say it was a suspicious one, so we tick on this one, you click on Next. And now there is three scenarios. If remediation on alert is configured on your tenant, it is going to automatically remove the configuration, that is the permission set on the user's resources. Else there is manual remediation where you can yourself remove the permissions configured. And thirdly, you can do it by going on the concerned user My Data Security and launch the remediation directly from their personal dashboard by applying correction. You click on OK, it's going to close the alert. So what is also interesting is that we also provide our client with the log history, which allows you to have a clear vision of the multiple changes and permissions set on the user resources since we started protecting the user. These two lanes serves as comparison between two different time frames. For example, you can read here at the time of the alert, at this specific date and time, the access right have been changed from none to reviewer on the specific folder for default. And for example, if I want to compare, these are actually all the logs collected by I2A. So if I want to compare from the time of the alert to now, for example, we can see that there has been a new configuration changes. That is, it has been changed from reviewer to none. So you can similarly investigate any of the logs collected in here and compare two different time frames. So here we go, we have just investigated our mailbox folder permission. I hope that this video has been useful to you. Should you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us at support@idexy.com and hit the like, subscribe, and bell button in order to find similar content in the future. Thank you.